Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can import saved comments made in a PDF copy of a Word document back into the original Word 2016 through 2010 document as Word comments for reviewing purposes. To do this, open the Word document into which you want to import the Acrobat comments. Then click the Acrobat Comments button that appears in the Review and Comment button group on the Acrobat tab in the ribbon of Word 2016 through 2010. Select the Import Comments from Adobe Acrobat command in the drop-down menu to open an Import Comments from Adobe Acrobat dialog box. Read the instructions shown in this dialog box about how to perform the process to ensure that the documents that you used are compliant with the instructions shown. When you are ready to begin the process, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box to start. In the Import Comments from Adobe Acrobat dialog box, you will see the names of the PDF file and the Word file shown in the Take Comments from this PDF file and Place Comments in this Word file boxes respectively if the files are located in the same folder. If not, you can click the Browse button to the right of either file name shown to launch an open dialog box to navigate to and then select the file to use. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to show it within the desired field. In the Select Comment Types to Import section, select an option button for the types of comments to import into the Word document. The choices are All Comments to import all comments, All Comments with check marks to import only Acrobat comments that have a check mark in their checkmark field within the Comments List panel, Text Edits Only, Insertions, Deletions, and Replaces to import only text editing comments, or Apply Custom Filters to comments to choose which comments to import. You can then check the Turn Track Changes On before importing comments checkbox to enable that feature within the Word document before importing the Acrobat comments if desired. When you are ready to import the comments, click the Continue button to continue. If you selected the Apply Custom Filters to Comments option button, you will then see the Filter Comments dialog box appear. You can check or uncheck the checkboxes shown here to enable or disable the criteria used to import the comments. You can filter by author, comments type, comment checked state, or comment status set by an author. Then click the OK button after selecting the criteria. After successfully importing the comments back into Word, Acrobat will then display the Successful Import dialog box. It will also display the Import Summary. If you imported text edit comments, you can then integrate the text editing comments into the document if desired by using the Integrate Text Edits feature to accept or discard each text edit change that was imported. To do this, click the Integrate Text Edits button within the Successful Import dialog box. Acrobat will then launch the Adobe Acrobat Comments Change dialog box and highlight the first text edit change in the Word document. The comment's author, date, and action will appear in this dialog box. For text replacements and insertions, the text to replace or insert will appear in the New Text field within this dialog box. You can click the Apply button to apply the change, or the Discard button to discard the change. You can click the Next button to then move to the next comment if needed. If you change your mind about applying the previous comment's change, you can then click the Undo Last button to undo the previous change. If you want to automatically move through the comments after applying or discarding a change, check the Automatically Go to Next checkbox. To show comment bubbles, check the Show Comment Bubbles checkbox. To apply all remaining changes in the comments to the document, click the Apply All Remaining button to finish and apply the changes. You can click the Stop button to stop and return to the Text Integration Summary dialog box if needed. After completing text integration, you will see the Text Integration Summary dialog box. This shows a summary of the changes and some additional steps you may want to apply to clean up the Word document. For example, you can click the Acrobat Comments button and choose Delete All Comments in Document to remove any remaining comments. When finished, click the Done button in this dialog box to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.